crafty friends. Happy Saturday. We made it through another week, Whitney.
Yes!
Right before school starts. We've got,
one.
busy weekend ahead of us before we head back to school next week. Mm-hmm. Has it been raining where you guys are at? Well, it hasn't been raining here, but at Tailored Expressions, it's raining cats and dogs this week as we release our kits. And I say kits plural because guess what? There's 2 of them. So
2 is better than 1, friends.
That's right.
I'm so excited.
Now, don't start expecting 2 kits every month, but we had to do something for our cat lovers and our dog lovers.
Of course.
And if you love dogs and cats, then get ready for 2 kits.
You're
this
in
month.
big.
Yes. So the last Tuesday of every month is our kit release, and we are super excited to introduce something cute and fun to include in your pet collection. So lots of different occasions you can send pet cards for. I love sending a little congratulations on your new pet.
Yes.
Of course, you want to recognize when someone loses their special friend.
Yes.
So we've got some good stuff for that isn't necessarily new, but we'll work with these new things as well. So we are excited to share them with you today. And if you're new here, you're seeing this video a little earlier than our release. So our release takes place on Tuesday at 9 a.m. Central Time. And then I go live at 10 a.m. and we do some crafty things together. And then today we're giving you the earliest sneak peek. So the products we're showing you are not actually available for sale yet. You'll have to wait till Tuesday, but we like to show you what's coming. So should we get started?
Yes.
Okay, let's show everybody what's coming. We're gonna start with our cat lovers kit. This one is called Meow and Furever.
Oh my.
Isn't that cute? I can't wait for you guys to see what's in this, and I want to hear from you in the comments. Cats versus dogs. Let's comment it out and see which one wins. Are you a cat fan or a dog fan?
Taylor, you don't have any pets at all.
I don't. No, but I think if I had to choose, I'm going to side with the cat ladies on this one.
Okay.
So
we did have kitties growing up.
We did.
I do love them. They're great. They're cuddly. They're adorable.
Yes, soft, and they just curl up on your lap. I do remember our old cat, Morris, who would curl up right by your head. And it was just so comforting. Yeah. So I am a fan of cats. And to all of you dog lovers, I don't throw any shade on dog lovers.
No.
So
we love the pups too. Both our sister and our parents have
dogs. Yes.
So we get lots of playtime. Okay, show me what's in the kit. Enough talking.
Let's take a look at our kit. It comes in this kind of Velcro pouch with all of the items together. We have our Meow and Furever sticker, and you can see some of the artwork there with those cute cats, the doodly designs in that artwork. So in order to achieve those in stamp form, you have a rubber stamp and stencil combo. So I'm actually going to open this up. It's a little easier to understand if you see the different pieces. And the stamp itself is all of the pieces you see on the front here that are in black. So all of these little doodly bits that kind of create the cute parts of the cat. And then you have the little paw prints in the background. And of course, our alignment squares that are going to help you when it's time to do your stenciling. You can see we have intentionally taken a little artistic liberty with the coloring of these. There are some intentional open white spaces in the tail, the legs, just to add a little bit of extra whimsy to these designs. So once you stamp that image, you'll make sure you have those alignment squares stamped, and then you will follow with the coordinating stencils. So we have a 3-layer stencil, and lining up those alignment squares is going to get you the colored parts of your cats and right in the right spot. So everything starts with the Meow and Furever stamp and stencil combo, and then you might want to cut your cats out. So we've got our Meow and Furever cutting plate that allows you more versatility to cut them out, put them in different scenes, place them around on some of our fun cutting plates and such. So this is included in the kit. And then we have our insiders.
Oh,
so
goodness.
The insiders, Meow and Furever. I love these. Thanks for being so amazing. It's your birthday. Go wild or take a nap.
That would be me.
That's very cat-ish.
Yes.
They like to nap more than go wild. So then we have sometimes life throws us a hairball. I'm here for you.
Oh, no. Oh, that's the worst.
That is the worst. Poor kitties and their hairballs.
Oh.
And then we have love you furry much.
Oh,
so
cute.
some cute puns in that set of insiders. And then as with all of our kits this year, we are providing you with the tailored tutorial. You can see this beautiful card that Susan made on the front there and shows you how you can, after you die cut those, an idea for placing them around inside of this circle stencil that we have. And then, of course, to be able to access inspiration, you'll find all of our design team projects by accessing this QR code with your phone, and that will stay around for you whenever. If you want to create, 6 months from now using your kit, just scan that QR code and you'll be inspired by lots of the design team projects. So we do have some add-on products for our kits this month, and if you would like sentiments to go specifically with your cat kit,
Sign me up.
That's a fun one to say, your cat kit. That's what we should have called it, the cat kit. This is called Perfect Friend, and it's a set of 5 sentiments, and then there are coordinating dies as well. So sending positive vibes. You're the cat's meow.
I love that one.
That's great. You're a perfect friend. Celebrating you, and love is a 4-legged word. So
that
cute,
one's great
right?
for dogs too. Very versatile.
Yeah. So that can be added on separately, as well as the envelope seals. So if you like these cute little cats, there are 2 different designs in this pack. You can see this little smiley guy kind of looking back over the shoulder. And then we have this one playing with the little ball of yarn. And you'll get 5 of each of those in the envelope seal set. Of course, we have bundles that you can purchase to get all of these items together. If you want our big bundle, you can grab that as well. So there you have the cats. Let's look at a few samples. You already saw this one from Susan. That's part of the tailored tutorial. Really fun. As always, tune in on Tuesday because I have more samples to show during the Tuesday live from lots of our design team members. But there's that one. And then Sue created this one. Look at how adorable that is with the little yarn that she created using our felt. She just trimmed tiny little pieces of felt and adhered that onto the yarn ball. And then the background says meow meow with our Tall Tales alphabet, which is super cute.
I love how she did the little gem encrusted. Turn it over. There's another one.
Oh
with
my
the crown.
goodness. Handmade by Sue, and then she's got the cat wearing a crown of jewels.
Yes.
Oh, that's so cute, Sue. I love that. Fun. All right, then let's take a look for our dog lovers.
Yes.
Raise your hand if you're out there and you're a dog lover. This is the Doggone Cute kit, and it is just what it says. It's doggone cute. So you're going to see a lot of similar products in each of these 2 kits, just with a different theme. So this time we have our Doggone Cute stamp and stencil combo, where you're going to get the doodly designs in the background, and then you'll have the stencils to coordinate and lay down the color over the top. And then we have the cutting plate to cut out all of the dogs. I think these dogs are so cute. I didn't even talk about some of my favorites, but look at this one kind of flying in from the top.
He's so happy.
He is. And this guy, he's jumping, very excited. Our parents and sister have a dachshund, so I love the little tiny little dachshund. And
the
this
little short legs, long
little
body.
guy kind of just laying down here at the bottom. So also, which dog looks most like your dog or reminds you of your dog? We couldn't obviously get every single breed in here. We got the little corgi at the top that's looking back with his little fluffy butt.
I love that. Oh, he's so cute. He's like, oh, hi.
Oh, hi.
Pet my back, please.
I love that. So those two products, and then we've got our Insiders Doggone Cute. These are super fun. It's your birthday. Let's raise the woof. Thank you for everything. Sorry life is rough right now, and just for the fun of it. So I think those are fun, and you can use them on the insides or the outsides of your cards. And just like our cat kit, we have our tailored tutorial with a very similar card, a little bit different colorway that Susan did on the dogs. And then we have our inspiration sheet where you can find all of the design team inspiration in that QR code.
Awesome.
So very fun. Let's see the add-ons for the dog fans. We've got a sentiment set and coordinating dies as well. We've got the To a Positively Fabulous Friend, Sending Birthday Wishes, May Your Heart Be Light and Happy, Time to Potty.
Yes.
And Glad You're Part of My Pack. So those can be added on, or if you purchase our big Raise the Wolf bundle, then you'll get these in that. I know. And then our envelope seals, let's open these up so we can see both of the designs. Just like the cats, there's two designs. We have our cute little corgi that I mentioned.
Adorable.
Look at that, so cute. And then this little jumpy dog. And those are the two versions of envelope seals in the set. All right, let's look at one last product. So this is actually, could be used for cats or dogs, and it's not included in either of the big bundles. So if you want this, make sure you add it separately. It's called Little Bits Pet Accessories, and you have some paw prints that can be used for a cat or a dog, and then you have kind of little accessories. You've got a food dish, there's a bone for the dog, and then you've got the fish bone for the cat. We made a little party hat, so if you want to use that time to potty sentiment, you can put little hats on your dogs or cats. You have the yarn ball, little tennis balls for the dogs, and of course a tiny little bow tie. So some super fun accessories that you can use to dress up your cats and dogs, or just to use on your projects, like that little tag with the paw print in it would be a fun one to tie onto a card as well. So let's take a look at some samples. Miss Lori Craig created these, and she kind of went the route of, thinking of you or sending hugs on the passing of your pet. So she has the little dog down here thinking of you. We have the rainbow in the background. I know that's often a sign, the Rainbow Bridge poem, when a pet passes. So really cute, sweet cards from Lori. And I love that fanfare rainbow that she did in the background.
She used the little addition to the little...
Oh, yeah. She's got that little tag we were just talking about, the little paw print on the tag. I love how she colored her little food dish, too. She put food in it. So cute.
I love those.
All right, let's take a look at a couple other ones. This one was the one featured in the tutorial. So the one that Susan created using that big circle stencil and popping those dogs around the sentiment. Cute, cute. And then Sue created this one. Look at all these dogs. They're at the dog park. Isn't that what this looks like?
That's why they're potting.
Yes.
They're doing a dog party.
That's the only time I feel like I see this many dogs together is at the dog park. So I love how she created a fence using our easy strips. We actually have a fence die that might be fun with this as well, but she made this one using our easy strips. And then look at those cute flowers. She made those using our clay flowers and tiny diamonds for the yellow centers.
Oh, that's fun.
I think that's a fun way to kind of add a little bit of dimension and interest into that background that she created. Definitely looks like a park scene. So great job. Again, I will have more samples on Tuesday, so stay tuned for that. Okay, we're coming back to you. Here we are. All right. Thank you, guys. Thanks, Whitney, for hanging out, and thank you guys for tuning in today to see what's new, what's coming at TE. Make sure you leave that comment, because we would love to see who's going to win the poll. Are you cats or are you dogs? All right, you guys, have a wonderful rest of your weekend, and we'll see you on Tuesday. Bye.
Bye, guys.